Good evening, everyone. Imagine you are a teacher juggling countless tasks from grading assignments to planning lessons, all while trying to give each student the individual attention they deserve. It's no surprise that teachers often feel overwhelmed by administrative duties. Now, what if there is a way to lighten that load, allowing educators to focus more on what truly matters, their students? This is where EduLift comes in. EduLift is an AI-powered teaching assistant designed to change the way educators plan, assess, and analyze the student performance.
Take this Mrs. Smith, a dedicated teacher who spent hours grading essays, repeatedly marking similar errors. With EduLift's AI grading solution, she can save valuable time as the system automatically grades and provides feedback, ensuring both consistency and accuracy. But EduLift is more than just automation. It's about personalized learning. Every student has unique strengths and challenges, and EduLift's AI analyzes individual performance patterns to offer targeted support. If a student constantly struggles with a concept or a math problem, EduLift can recommend specific resources and activities to help them improve. With Microsoft Copilot's AI, EduLift helps teachers automate lesson planning, generate quizzes, provide real-time grading and feedback, deliver in-depth student performance analysis. So our goal is to free up valuable teaching time so educators can focus on what really matters, mentoring and guiding students towards success. EduLift helps not just by saving time, but by making AI easy to understand and use in the classroom. Now, looking at these insights, one thing is clear. Teachers face real challenges when it comes to time and resources. And when teachers are overwhelmed, student learning can suffer. That's the challenge we need to solve. So at the end of the day, EduLift is designed to make teachers' lives easier by saving time, reducing workload, and increasing efficiency. With EduLift, teachers can focus less on admin tasks and more on what really matters, helping students succeed.
Here we will have the live demo of EduLift. This is our website. So in the beginning, we will experience the first feature, which is helping the teacher to make lesson plans. So the agent asking for the lesson name and the lesson data, and then the AI helps the teacher generate a whole lesson data, lesson plan. So in here you will see what kind of things our agent helping the teacher with is given the objectives, it given activities for the teacher based on the lesson with their time. It's also helping the teacher to have like some assessment methods, and then it's asking if the teacher want to create a quiz, and we have a yes or no buttons, and then the teacher says yes, for example, he gets like a full quiz with the correct answer, which he can give to the students as part of his class. And now we will experience the other feature, which is the auto grading. So we give the questions, we give also the student's response, which is their student answer. Here we have a case where the student answer everything correct. As you see, we have like score 10-10, and we get the feedback, and we get also improvement suggestions, and for each question, of course. And at the end we get like final score summary, the percentage, the final feedback, and the total score, which is 50-50. He got the full score. And then I'm gonna give like in another case where the student did not answer the questions very good, and we will see that our agent replied and give like scores 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 1 out of 10, and he gives like what is the things that the student can improve. And in here we have the data that the teacher will give our agent to analyze the performance of the class. So the teacher will give the CSV data separated by comma to the agent, and then it will perform a whole analysis. As you see, it's analyzing almost everything from like the average scores and the tuition needed, the performance trends, if it's declining, if it's like the student improvement. It gives insight who's the top performing students. It gives like the some statistics. It gives behavioral impact analysis. It gives also like structured results, like students who need tutoring and in which subject, for example. We have like many details that will help the teacher to have like a full and a big picture analysis of what's going on in their class. Therefore will help them to drive their resources and time to help their student in the best way. We also have our latest feature where the teacher asks for like resources as articles and videos to help their student in tomorrow class, and our AI agent give like a full list of suggestions.
So let's talk about why we choose the name EduLift. Edu actually stands for education, and lift means to reduce burdens and elevate the teaching process. In short, EduLift embodies our goal of lifting teachers' burdens. And also, we can say that EduLift is designed to make teachers' lives easier by saving time, reducing workload, and increasing efficiency. With EduLift, teachers can focus less on admin tasks and more on what truly matters. I mean, helping students succeed.
Coming to the technical process, we mainly use Microsoft Copilot Studio as the core for this project. We also explored Azure Machine Learning. We had our dataset that I will speak about in a bit. We trained the dataset, we used a recognition model, but due to the technical limitations, and by that I mean the time limitation, we just pivoted to Copilot AI fully for the sake of the hackathon. However, we really believe that in the future iteration and the improvement for this software, the training for the AI model on the real student performance data will lead to more accurate and personalized insight for the teachers. The data set that we used had like 20 features that influence the student performance. As you see, one of the most important labels with the hour study, the attendance, the sleep hour, the previous school, the previous scores, those were like the most important ones, and then we have less important ones. So here I will show you, I'm going to show you like the model training on Azure machine learning, and here we can see the how we did the training on Azure machine learning, but due to the time limitation, we were unfortunately unable to fully integrate it into our Copilot flow. Here, we were not able to integrate it on Copilot Flow, but we successfully tested and trained it, by the way. So here you can see the correlation analysis. Here you can see the matrices for the student performance factors. The conclusion is that attendance and study hours were having the most significant impact on the exam performance. Automation, we tried to use Power Automate, so the teacher could like upload their files on their like a Google Drive or their Excel files or their OneDrive, and then our agent would just like grab and retrieve those files and processes and then send back the result or the task to their file. We managed to do it, but not on a very big scale because of the time limitation again. But we really think that a fully integrated system that is like connected to the teacher cloud would like save time, save effort for like the teachers and the whole like academic staff, because they would like just upload on the cloud and they're like and their task would be like automated fully. And for example, they could like get the results sent back to their email, sent back to the whole like students. For example, if they want to send a quiz, they would just upload the topic on their drive. Then the AI would make a quiz and send it to the students all automatically, which will like which will take a lot of burden from the teachers' shoulders. Our model performance was like around the model around 67 of the variance in the student exam score based on the given input factors, and this could like really be improved somehow. Here we have like some screenshots, but like I'm gonna make a live demo, so I'll just go quickly over these. And here we have like a real life example how EduLift is just give resources suggestion for improving the math skills, as you see. And we have like future improvement and like a big vision for EduLift. As I said, like making an integration of the past performance study habits, involving the machine learning models, fine-tuning the feature selection, enhancing the accuracy of our training, also making the automation with the for the drive, for the Excel, for all the Microsoft application that the teacher use. All of these are like a great improvement and will like make EduLift really lift like the burden from the teachers.